Today, we compare two brands, Adidas and Puma, which specialize in the manufacture of sportswear and shoes. Now imagine how much money you would earn if you invested only $100 in Adidas or Puma 5, 10, 15 or 20 years ago. The company was started by Adolf Dassler in his mother's house. He was joined by his elder brother Rudolf in 1924 under the name Gebrüder Dassler Shoe Factory, Dassler Brothers Shoe Factory. Dassler assisted in the development of spiked running shoes for multiple athletic events. The relationship between the two brothers deteriorated until the two agreed to split in 1948, forming two separate entities, Adidas and Puma. Both companies are currently based in Herzogenaurach, Germany. Adidas and Puma sell a range of clothing items varying from men's and women's t-shirts, jackets, hoodies, pants and leggings. The companies offer products for football, basketball, running, training and fitness, golf, motorsports and sports style. Adidas's total number of employees in 2021 was 61,401, a 1.42% decline from 2020. As of December 31st, 2021, the number of people employed worldwide by Puma was 16,125. The average estimated annual salary, including base and bonus, at Adidas is $119,881 or $57 per hour. The average estimated annual salary, including base and bonus, at Puma is $105,181 or $50 per hour. As of May 2022, Adidas has a market cap of $36.7 billion. This makes Adidas the world's 461st most valuable company by market cap. As of May 2022, Puma has a market cap of $10.4 billion. This makes Puma the world's 1,383rd most valuable company by market cap. Adidas's annual revenue for 2021 was $25.1 billion, a 10.83% increase from 2020. In 2021, Puma generated global revenue of $7.1 billion. Adidas's annual net income for 2021 was $2.5 billion, a 407% increase from 2020. Puma's annual net income for 2021 was $325 million, a 292% increase from 2020. Adidas pays $3.50 per share or 1.82%. Puma pays 76 cents per share or 1.09%. Adidas's annual income taxes for 2021 were $0.4 billion, a 155% increase from 2020. Puma's annual income taxes for 2021 were $134 million. Adidas shares were worth $187.48 when the video was recorded. At the same time, Puma shares were worth $68. The company had a very rapid growth from 2015 to 2020. It grew from $59 to $329 or 458%. Puma also grew rapidly during this period from $14.70 to $83 or by 469%. The average annual growth of Adidas shares for the last 20 years was 39%, and the average annual growth of Puma for the last 20 years was 69%. The lowest share price in the history of the Adidas was $13. It was in 2000. Puma's lowest ever share price was $1.78 in 1998, 3 months after the IPO. From mid-2021, to the present day, the company's shares are falling from $335 to $187, or 44%. Puma shares also began to fall during this period from $120 to $68, or 42%. As we can see, the indicators of Adidas are better, but if you look at the average annual growth, then there is a different picture. Puma has better performance here. Therefore, over the past 20 years, it would have been better to invest in Puma. But it's only up to you in which company you should invest. If you liked the video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. By doing this, you will support the channel. Wish you all the best!